friend of me is REALME C25s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this smartphone. Firstly, access device settings and scroll all the way down. Now you need to choose additional settings, then keyboard and input method, Gboard, and finally text correction. Over here scroll down and click on this switcher next to autocorrection feature. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can easily turn it back on by tapping on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!